In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Canva design in Google Sites. By the end, you'll take a design from Canva and place it neatly on a page in Google Sites, ready to show your audience. Start by opening Google Sites in your browser and sign in if needed. On the landing screen, look for the section that shows what you've been working on recently, then open your existing site from there. This puts you in the site editor where we'll add the embed in just a moment. Now switch over to Canva. In the Canva homepage, use the search bar to look for website templates. This is a quick way to find designs that are laid out nicely for embedding. Pick a sample template you like, then open it. Choose Customize this template so it opens in the editor, where you can adjust colors, text, or images to fit your brand. Make any quick edits you want here. It's easier to fix wording or spacing now rather than after you embed. When you're ready, click Share in the top right of Canva. In the Share menu, open the 3-dot More Options menu. From the list that appears, choose Embed. You'll see Canva prepare the embed code for your design. Click Embed to generate the code preview, then click Copy to place the code on your clipboard. If you see options such as size or responsiveness, don't worry. Leave them as default. You can resize within Google Sites. Head back to your Google Sites tab. In the right-hand panel of the editor, choose Insert. From the available options, select Embed. In the dialog that opens, make sure you're on the Embed Code tab rather than the URL tab. Click into the box and paste the code you copied from Canva, then click Next to let Google Sites process the embed. You should see a preview of your Canva design. Click Insert to place it onto the page. Once the embed appears on your canvas, resize the frame by dragging its corners or edges until it fits your layout. Give it enough width to avoid scroll bars and align it with other elements on the page for a clean, consistent look. If your site uses sections or columns, position the embed so it flows naturally with your content. That's it. You opened your Google site, built or selected a Canva template, grabbed the embed code through Share in the 3-dot menu, and then added it to your site via Insert, Embed, and Embed Code. Resize as needed, and your design is now integrated directly into your page, ready for viewers.